Sumar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Kripa Foundation kepada Jaka beri Sumar ki riu Tymmen kumju ke Jaka Sumar ki beriu ki belakarni ha udrok. Ha kalai potrik ubenai jelio hajar apun riu kalai yok ban Plie saya ke Kripa Victoria Supercare Outreach keban ai ke jin syakri ha keban Sumar ya ki basa hangte kumju ki bapang basitom ha kate kathan. Ka Kripa Foundation kade ke badon ha umroi ribhoi district kani ka jing Plie ya kani ka outreach kalong baka foundation kathmu banang penyar ya ka jing ai jing chakri ka jongka sha ki bapang bastom ha kani ka sni bada Plie ya ka Kripa Victoria Supercare Outreach lai dandang chief secretary berem ka sarkar jilla uba DP Walang IAS additional deputy commissioner Karibhoi district u Akash R Marak kakong B Jana kabalong ka district social welfare officer ka Nongpo u Father Patrick Nongrang Jong ka Don Bosco Sunnyside bat u Pire Julian D Sosa Kripa trustee bana Mumbai kate ka outreach ka badang Plie ka Don Jaka detoxification service ka diagnostic service blood collection rehabilitation service OPD IPD service pharmacy dental clinic bat ka emergency service.
Please give a round of applause. Thank you so much.
Berdasarkan di outreach, as you know, nila penyat ke rehab center and nila penyat ke senior citizen home group. Number one is that when it comes to rehabilitation center, the first step before rehabilitation then come detoxification. So normally what happens is that detoxification you have part which the hospital people come here, super care, Bethany, civil hospital gitu bomla mansil. They ni part which and like our recovery champion was mentioning Nico Francis. He said that a lot of the times the RWA detoxification in the hospital think Kimju one for rehabilitation. They manipulate or they'll say that no, I'm fit and fine, I'm done come show. And it's also because families don't understand what happens after detoxification, which is rehabilitation. Kimpat das mutho than kin kata. They ngibereng yung sun care, by God's grace, miki kila dile ting na dumunshwa kila don detoxification, then kila don ka ward namta ki namta the recovery patients can. They ngiru yung ngiru iri banle ka jo, so that ngin persyang man motivate yaki hapo ka facility. And from the facility itself, the kim kwa tadat banle rehabilitation no problem, and they ki kwa pade ki UE they'll have first-hand experience of the recovery clients that are already there. They can long motivated can shong, so that is it's just a step further. And kabaar kalamba kimeyed, kimeyed they're all above the age of 70, 75. And niru nakito ki yumi badan hatur ki bon bamdan pisa bon mungi basahi. The yaki pare we've realized that Banyalam Hospital kum negrams civil ka ajngai. Tamman shong hakaliru ani ka met namta ki especially to baladap handai ko tam. Tingiyong ba if doctors are available hangi and they can be well taken care of within the facility, so why not? Then it's helping both sides of the both sides of the facility. Then pet ki machine ki kila pilot te ki mei yang ni ron tang khat ngot ki recovery ni ron ko ba aku san ngot te ngam ba pet ki doctor kin don almost 24 hours kin don the dental division ki la don path ki la don te ngam ba ngila le ye ki to ngila hon then why not the ki lat por anything in play ja ka community ru badon hajan hangi kila man one pendan kam ki facilities hangi. So then I realized, it was not only an internal decision bagi orang mengilek nam ta our facility. It suddenly became for widespread for the entire community. Like kumagala ongru, banyalam ni kimi la jingai siya papalat ne. Even clients who are going through withdrawals banyalam la jingai. If we are managing to do everything here, nothing like it, because within, like I said, the closest hospital is about 20 odd kilometers. If you can do it here, the community also kimdan kaman shongkali yad or ban pulut kai kapisa ban lit chadi shastor ban saban bamja saban le ki test the kila ban le ang ni pendap no lit tray yang at least ki safe kin kapor jumki.
Haga jingdon jungkini doctor for the availability of doctors kumnu ka pia plan le mo.
Okay, so as of now, ni mo panzang siya ka detox side, so a psychiatrist is already there with us. Ni don the dental division nila ay bo la ay Plie ka to. Then the lab is also open, the pharmacy is also open. So in terms of the doctors that will be coming here, we are gradually going to get a residential doctor, hopefully by August 1st. Kenyatta residential doctor plus various different doctors that Supercare intends to send. Of course, we have your trishtam, but to spread out the word. We have to speak to doctors in and around the community as well. Like the vision is very far. Come expert. Sure, and then eventually katawan ka to por bagila pinhet siya
Lishi bun
Yeah, feel
mo kan ya da
Yeah. Thank you.